Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change the birth date of your Yubo account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So guys, as you can already see that on my screen, I'm already logged into my own Yubo account. There's a particular homepage right over here, along with chats, friends, and swiping for the people I like and dislike. So alright, if you want to change the birth date of your Yubo account, all you have to do is first of all tap on this profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your own profile. You can see this is my profile right over here. So all you have to do is tap on this gear icon on the top right corner of the screen again. This will take you to various options of settings. So you have to tap on account. And you can see your various options of name, birthday, gender and all. So just tap on birth date. Alright guys, you have an option of simply changing it. You can choose your birth year just like this. And then your birth month. And simply you can choose your birth date just like this. And tap on OK option if you're okay with the new birth date that you have just added. Alright, so guys, it has been updated and you can see the very new birth date on my account. So this is how you do it. This is how you change the birth date of your Yubo account. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.